Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the screen frame or lifting the sash and placing the screen on a flat work surface. This positions you to work steadily. Next, use a flat screwdriver to pry up one corner of the spline and then a spline roller to pull the cord out around the perimeter. As you go, clear dirt and old adhesive with a small brush. This ensures the channel is smooth and the new spline will seat properly once you press the replacement mesh into place. You now measure and cut the new mesh, leaving 2 to 3 inches extra on every side so you have room to tension. Once cut, center the mesh over the frame and anchor the spline at a midpoint on one long side to prevent slippage. Using the spline roller, press the spline into the channel while pulling the mesh taut with your free hand. This step controls wrinkles and keeps the screen flat. Work around the frame in short segments, alternating sides to balance tension as you proceed. Finish by trimming the excess mesh with a sharp utility knife, cutting close to the inside edge but not into the spline or frame to avoid damage. Reinstall the screen into the window and check for any sagging or sections where the spline popped out. Press those areas back in with the roller. If you see small wrinkles, loosen the spline a few inches around the wrinkle, pull the mesh tighter, and reseat the spline. This retensions the material and removes most imperfections without redoing the whole screen.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.